Bonjour, I'm Hina from evidyarthi.in and today we're gonna learn the future tenses in French. So we use future tense when we are talking about some future event. And there are conjugations for the future tense. We have three verb group which is ER, RE and IR. So we'll do the each group one by one. First we are taking the verb group ER. तीन वर्ब ग्रुप हैं ER, IR और RE. पहले हम कर रहे हैं ER वर्ब ग्रुप and we are taking the example travail. Travail means to work. So travail means to work and we have the pronom sujet je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle and we have the endings. So, the rule of conjugating the verb travailler or the ER verb is that we use infinitive plus the endings. We don't remove the ER verb which we are done in passé composé and the present. We add infinitive ER plus the endings. ER plus the ending. And there is a note that each word should end with R. So, je travaille. So, we added the infinitive ER and the endings are avoir. AI, AS, AONS, EZ, and ONT. So, we add the infinitive plus the avoir conjugation. So, je travaille, tu travailles, il, elle travaille, nous travaillons, vous travaillez, and il, elle travaillons. So, we add the ER plus the avoir ending to form the ER conjugation for the future tense. Okay. And the second verb group is IR group. For IR group, we have the same rule. Infinitive plus the avoir ending. So, we add the infinitive and the avoir ending. So, IR will remain this only and we add the avoir ending. IR ऐसे ही रहेगा और हम avoir ending को इसमें प्लस कर देंगे conjugate करने के लिए. So, first we have je finir, tu finira, elle finira, nous finirons, vous finirez, and il, elle finiront. AI, AS, AONS, EZ and ONT, which are the avoir ending. So, IR remain the same and we add the avoir endings because what we want is the last letter of the word should be R. Okay. And the third verb group we have is RE verb group. And we are taking the example vendre. Vendre means to sell. So, we have the pronom sujet and what we have done is that infinitive plus the avoir ending. But earlier I have told you the word should be ended with R. But here we have RE. So we will drop only the E and R will remain this only and we add the avoir ending. Vendre में RE आ रहा है but word should be end with R. तो हम E drop करेंगे और हम avoir ending use करेंगे. For example, je vendrai, tu vendras, elle vendra, nous vendrons, vous vendrez, and elle vendront. AI, AS, AONS, EZ, ONT are the avoir ending. For the verb group ER, we drop the RE verb we drop the last E because a word should be ended with R and then we add the avoir ending. Clear? Now we'll do when to use the future tenses. So we'll use the future tense when we are talking about the future event. What we'll do in future. Just like this example, but in French we use future tense with present also. For example, we have I will buy a car when I have enough money. So in the first part we uses the word will, which is in the future, and in the second part we uses the have. फर्स्ट में हमने will यूज किया जो फ्यूचर के लिए यूज होता है और सेकेंड पार्ट में हमने प्रेजेंट यूज किया. But in French, if the sentence is started with the future tense, it will end in the future. There is a logic because I will buy a car when I have enough money. So in the present, he has no money, but in future he will have money. So the sentence will be in future tense. Je acheter une voiture quand j'aurai assez d'argent. Means I will buy a car when I will have enough money. Acheter is achet, which means to buy. Voiture is the car. Quand j'aurai assez d'argent means when I have enough money. Next sentence we have I will call you as soon as I get home. Here also in the first part we uses the word will, which is a form of future, and in the second part we uses the get, which is in the present. But in French it will be in totally in future. So je t'appellerai dès quand je rentrerai chez moi, which means I will call you as soon as I get home. Next sentence we have I will buy a house if I have enough money. Here we uses the word if, and if we uses the word if in sentence, in French the first form will be, the first part of the sentence will be in future and the next part will be in the present. So it will be je acheter une maison si que j'essaie d'argent, which means I will buy a house if I have money, because he is not certain about the condition whether he have money in future or not. So we'll use the present tense. Next we have we will eat at airport. Nous mangeons à la airport, which means we will eat at the airport. If you compare the logic between the English and French, the French is more logical. If you have any queries, if you have any question, you can comment us below. Merci, à bientôt.